Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we load an exciting video we notify. Let's solve this simple question under what inverse function, right? Now look at what we are given. We are given that f of x equals to what link s minus x. We are asked to find the inverse of x. This is very simple. Now look at what we are going to do. I want you to understand that the inverse of f of x is equals to what? Y. For example, if we are having our graph, remember that this is what f of x positive, okay, and this is f of f what negative, okay, and this is our x-axis and this is our negative x-axis. And know that this f of x is equals to what? Y, and this is equals to what? Negative what? Y. Fine, that's good. So from here, f of x is y, so that means y is equals to link what? Link x minus x. That's our first step. Remember, we are asked to find the inverse of what? X. Wow, what are we going to do next? Let's look at what we are going to apply here. We are not wrong if we write this and this as what? E raised to the power of y equals to e raised to the power of what? Link x minus what? X. Sorry, we are not wrong if we do this, because since we are seeing this base and the base are the same, okay, we can equate the power and it will go out exactly as y equals to link s minus x. So we are not wrong, okay. Why are we doing this? We are doing this so that we can apply to this, we can attend to this problem. That's why we are doing this. Now let's also obey the law of indices here. So now see that e raised to the power of y is equals to e raised to the power of what? Link what? X multiplied by e raised to the power of what? Minus x. We are obeying the law of indices. You see why obeying the law of indices is very simple and interesting when you are solving problems, okay. That means e raised to the power of y is equals to e raised to the power of what? Link x, okay, multiplied by 1 over e raised to the power of what? X. You see, by obeying the law of indices, is helping us a lot in this problem, okay. So now this is e raised to the power of y equals to e raised to the power of what? Link what? X divided by e raised to the power of what? X. Wow, that is interesting. And note that x is equals to e raised to the power of what? Link what? X. That means in place of having link s, e raised to the power of link s is just what? X. That means e raised to the power of y is equals to x divided by e raised to the power of what? X. Fine. Now what are we going to do next? That means e raised to the power of y will be equals to, now I can also do something here. I can also write it as what? X multiplied by e raised to the power of minus x. You can see it's the same thing, because you can see that the negative is affecting the exponent. So that's why you're seeing over e raised to the power of what? S, by removing this sign you're seeing here. So it's the same thing. Now what are we going to do? We're going to do something interesting. Now this problem will look so dangerous, but it's very simple. We want to apply something, and let me think of Lambert-Debye function. Yes, I can apply Lambert-Debye function, but I'm having here positive s and the exponent here is negative x. So what are we going to do? Let's multiply this by negative 1 and also multiply this by negative 1, okay. So I can achieve using our word Lambert-Debye function. So that means minus 1 multiplied by e raised to the power of y, okay, equals to minus 1 multiplied by x, then multiplied by e raised to the power of what? Minus what? X. And minus 1 times this will give us what? Minus e raised to the power of what? Y, okay, equals to minus x multiplied by e raised to the power of what? Minus what? X. Wow, that's good. Now we can take the Lambert-Debye function on both sides. That means the Lambert-Debye function of minus e raised to the power of y equals to the Lambert-Debye function of what? Minus x multiplied by e raised to the power of what? Minus x, okay. That's good. That means the Lambert-Debye function of minus e raised to the power of y equals to, now the Lambert-Debye function of this will give us what? Just negative what? X. Remember that the Lambert-Debye function of what? X multiplied by e raised to the power of x is always equals to what? X. Now here we just have what? Minus negative what? X. Now we are asked to find the inverse of s inverse, but you are not asked to find the negative of s inverse. We are asked to find s inverse, not the negative. So what are we going to do to remove this negative? Let's multiply both sides by minus 1. So now see that minus 1 multiplied by the w function of what? Into minus e raised to the power of y equals to minus 1 multiplied by minus what? X. You can see that minus 1 times minus x will give us positive x. So now see that minus the w function of what? Into minus e raised to the power of y is equals to what? X. Wow, that's good. This implies that x is equals to minus the w function into minus e raised to the power what y. Wow. Now if you are asked to find what the x inverse, and remember that we are seeing y here, so anywhere we see y here we now put x. Okay, so now see that the x inverse will be equals to, sorry, let me just remove from here so that, okay, therefore x inverse equals to minus the real function of what into minus e raised to the power what x, and this is just the solution to this problem. Now then the inverse, you are asked to find the inverse of y. The inverse of y will be equals to the minus the real function of minus e raised to the power what y. But this is what you are asked to find. You are asked to find what the lambda. Look at, we are asked to find the s of f of x inverse. Okay, let me x inverse, which is, remember that s is equal to minus the real function of minus e raised to the power y. But we are asked to find the x inverse, f of x inverse. Okay, so in place of that y we'll put x, we'll just swap x and remove y. Okay, and this is the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Please like, comment, and also share video to loved ones or others will learn from it. Not this one, no, this one. Okay, bye.